welcome to MarineMax. My name's Larry Vogt, and today we're going to take you through this 2021 23-foot Outrage from Boston Whaler. Great center console, set up for hardcore fishing, plenty of seating for the family, and we're going to go through some of the really neat features that make this a very well-equipped boat. Starting at the bow, you've got a windlass that has controls right up on the dash, so one person can anchor the boat without leaving the helm. Great feature on this boat. Everything on a Boston Whaler is fully insulated, including this cooler right up underneath the seat in front of the console. Great place to store your cold beverages, bait, etc. As we come around the boat, we're going to take a look at these long fish boxes in the floor on either side. Plenty of room to put 80-pound wahoo in the box, or you can store even more frozen beverages down here. At the helm, we've got a smart box that's got chargers inside in the glove compartment, digital controls, power steering, fusion stereo, and a really neat seat that converts to a rear-facing bench so you can sit underneath the T-top in the shade, watch your lines while you're trolling. We've got a live well here in the corner on the port side. This boat's powered by the new V8 300 horsepower Verado. It'll get this boat up and running. You'll have a great time. Come by MarineMax in Jacksonville and take a look at this boat.